Welcome back, viewers. Now we are going to do part B of question 1. And the question reads, Irma's take-home pay is $4,320 per fortnight. Each fortnight, Irma's pay is allocated according to the following table. Part I says, what is Irma's annual take-home pay? Assume she works 52 weeks in any given year. So annual means every year. It's a bit of information for us to know. Now it is important to realize that she gets paid every fortnight. So we need to know how many fortnights are there in 1 year. A year has 52 weeks and one fortnight is 2 weeks. So that's 52 divided by 2, which is 26. This means that she'll get paid $4,320 26 times in 1 year. Therefore, her annual pay is 26 times 4,320, which is $112,320. The second part of this question says, determine the amount of money that Irma allocates for rent each month. Now let us go back to the table and see what Irma spends her money on. In this table, there is a variable X appearing twice. It is just placed there to signify that we do not know how much money she spends on rent or other living expenses yet. That is the reason why the question asks us to find it. You should notice that the living expenses is always twice the rent. Now from this table, we see that Irma makes $4,320. She saves $1,750, so that's $2,570 remaining. From that, she buys food for $629. She's now down to $1,941. This amount of money goes towards rent and other living expenses. This means that X plus 2X is equal to 1,941. If you add 1x and 2x's, you will get 3x's, and if 3x's is $1,941, that means 1x must be $1,941 divided by 3, which is $647. Now, X is the amount of money that she spends for rent in only one fortnight, $647. However, the question asks us for 1 month. Since there are 2 fortnights in 1 month, we multiply 647 by 2 to give us 1,294. Now, the final part of this question says, all of Irma's savings is used to pay her son's university tuition cost, which is $150,000. If Irma's pay remains the same and she saves the same amount each month, what is the minimum number of years that she must work in order to save enough money to cover her son's tuition cost? Now, Irma saves $1,750 every fortnight for her son's tuition. Since there are 26 fortnights in a year, she saves $1,750 times 26, which is $45,500 in only 1 year for his tuition. This amount isn't nearly enough to cover his $150,000 tuition cost, so she has to save for more years. That's $150,000 divided by $45,500, which is 3.297 years, but the number of years must be a whole number. It cannot be free because she won't have enough savings for his total tuition cost. See if you can figure out why this is so. Therefore, our answer is 4. By then, she would have enough saved for his tuition with some extra that she can pay his rent with.